Hi, this is Brendan from Watto Training, and what I'm going to demonstrate for you this morning is a hill start in an automatic vehicle. I'm parked on the side of the road. This could also be conducted in the traffic, but it happens to be that today I'm on the side of the road on a hill. First of all, I want to make sure that it's all clear around the vehicle. There's no one on the footpath. There's no one coming out of that driveway on my back left. That side street over my shoulder as well. So I know generally that at the moment it's clear, but I will do a secondary check in a moment. Indicate to the left. Still monitoring the mirrors, still monitoring the road environment. Drop it into drive. Handbrake still on, foot's on the foot brake. Now what I do is push the button in the handbrake, ease off the foot brake, feel it grab, ease the handbrake off, gentle application of the accelerator, one last shoulder check for safety, and we move away from the curb. Note that when you're doing the hill start from the side of the road, you should give 5 seconds notice on the signals. And then once you're out into the flow of traffic, cancel the signal.